Guys, today we're gonna try to change the auxiliary battery in a 2022 Gladiator. I haven't done this since I bought the car, so I have the light that shows up there, and let's see if we can do it without taking the tires out. Already tied out the steering, and I'm kind of a little bit in a hill right here, as you can see. So let's get to work. I would try to show you guys how to get it done without taking the wheels off. Alright guys, let's get started. So sorry for the noise. So what I'm gonna do today is I just took off the little bolts, the 10 mil. Just take one of them out here, and then try to get some of the clips off right here so you can get to the battery in there. So as you see, I just took out the fender, a little bit of it, and there's the battery right here, and the case is right here. There's 4 bolts of it. I believe those look like 10 mil, and all we have to do is just drop it down and disconnect it. Let's go. Alright guys, so as you see, I already took out the auxiliary battery. I got the new battery. If you're like me, I like to do stuff on my own. I'm not going to take this to the dealership because they're going to charge me a whole arm and a leg, so it's not going to happen. It's so easy. I just go to AutoZone, buy a battery, and then just swap this thing out. So there you go. Came out this way. The positive is on this side, the negative is on that side, and then boom, that's it. The new one is in, the old one is out, and now we gotta install it back up. Alright, so as you see, I already put it back together. Got the bolts back in there, and now let's start the car and see if anything changed. Alright. Okay, so I changed my auxiliary battery out of the Jeep Gladiator. This is a 2022, and after I did that, my lights were still on for the auxiliary battery, and the mistake I did was when I was changing it, I still had my main battery plugged in, which if you do that, it will not reset itself because there's still power that's being sent to the computer constantly. That's why it has 2 batteries, just in case one goes out, the other one can keep giving that. So in order for you to reset that light, you need to make sure this is unplugged first, and then you plug in the auxiliary battery, which gives it time for the computer to reset itself. So make sure you get that done, and now let's test it out. Okay, see, now it's off and we good to go. Everything seems like it's running good, and that's how you change your auxiliary battery and turning off the lights. You can either do it that way, or you just put it on the computer and have it erased, but this is one of the ways to do it.